Kevin Burn.
I like to give out shout outs to fucking LC on the court, that's where I be. To my true roots, straight up fucking 3 points in your motherfucking dupes. While I'm wearing my fucking steel point fucking motherfucking boots. Yeah, kick a motherfucker in the ass when I fucking throw that quick pass. Went to fucking Lamont, motherfucker, he that motherfucking drugs up like a fucking rocket sparks. Yeah, we're about to order. We had Jack in the Box. Oh.
You talking about that buttermilk?
How much was it?
Motherfucker, better get
333?
that buttermilk straight.
Oh, 833. Here you go.
Need that buttermilk up in mine.
Hook it up with the buttermilk,
Need that
bitch.
buttermilk up in my arteries.
You better give us an extra one so we can see that shit for our fucking arteries. You know me. Double dicking with my taco sauce. Motherfucker, I'm the motherfucking boss. Bitch, you better fucking hook it up. I ain't never come in here, motherfucker. That's what's up.
Shut up, your rhyme is stupid.
My rhyme is stupid, but I don't give a fuck. I'll fucking shoot you in the tip like I'm fucking Cupid. Give it up, motherfucker. Why your eyes look all down syndrome and fucking stupid.
See if everything's in there, dog. I'm not gonna like you.
You can't rap and fucking look at the bag at the same time? I'm not multi-talented.
Where are we going?
Back to the party, bro.
That's fucked up.
I'm getting dropped off, Alex, if you can, at Almo's house. Thank you.
I didn't even tell that fool was by and shit.
Ooh.
That guy.
Are you still recording?
Yeah?
You dumb.